Hi everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about Cartesian product, its definition, and a solved example to represent Cartesian product in different forms. To define a Cartesian product, we need two non-empty sets. Here we are taking set A and set B as non-empty sets. Then the Cartesian product of set A and set B is denoted by A cross B. It's read as A cross B, and it's defined as the set of all possible order pairs x comma y, such that the x component belongs to first set A and y component belongs to second set B. So in conclusion, we can say that if you feel this definition quite long, then you can just say that the set of all possible order pairs x comma y such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B is the Cartesian product of two non-empty sets A and B. In mathematical form, we can simply write the Cartesian product of A cross B is A cross B equals to all order pairs x comma y such that x belongs to set A and y belongs to set B. So here I have written the short definition also. We can simply say that the set of all possible order pairs of two non-empty sets is called Cartesian product. And in Cartesian product, you have to note down these five things over here I have written. So never ever the A cross B is never equals to B cross A unless A is equals to B. If both sets are same, then we will get A cross B equals to B cross A. But in other cases, if A and B are totally two different sets, non-empty sets, then we will never get A cross B equals to B cross A. That's why A cross B is not equals to B cross A. A cross A equals to A cross A. That's all right. So you know the cardinality. Yes. So cardinality of A cross B and cardinality of B cross A, that is same. Okay, only A cross B and B cross A, the order pairs are different, that's why they are not same, but their cardinality number is always same. And A cross B equals to phi, or empty set, if any of the set A or B is an empty set. Yes, and cardinality of A cross B is always equals to the product of cardinality of A and cardinality of B. Now here is one example. Let us discuss about this. So here in example, if A equals to HEN, these are the components of set A, and DOG are the components of set B, then we need to show these things. So here cardinality of A is there are three elements 3, and cardinality of B is 3 because there are three elements, and A cross B equals to set A is HEN and set B is D comma O comma Z. So while taking the Cartesian product, we just take the order pair. So S go with D and S go with O, S go with Z. Similarly E and N. Okay. So you just understood these things here. So this is the order pair form of Cartesian product of A cross B. See, the cardinality of A cross B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the elements here. So we just Cartesian product is the set of all possible order pairs. So all possible order pairs we have listed here. Yes, so we calculate A cross B. Here the cardinality of A cross B is 9. Similarly, we can find out B cross A. You just see here we have so D go with H, E and N, D comma S, D comma E, D comma N. So similarly O and Z will go in the similar way, and the collection of all possible order pairs between these two sets, here the D component, the component D belongs to set B and H belongs to set A. Yes, that is the element of set A. Similarly in all order pairs also, that's the same thing here. So the cardinality of B cross A is also, you just count the elements over here, it's 9. All right, so here you can simply see here A cross B is not equals to B cross A. See the first order pair here. So H comma D and D comma S, they are totally different, isn't it? In order pair we have already discussed that. You can see the video made by me regarding order pairs also. So A cross B is not equal to B cross A, and similarly see the cardinality of A cross B and cardinality of B cross A, both are same. So cardinality is same. Yes, and cardinality of A cross B is 9, and cardinality of A is 3, and cardinality of B is also 3. So when we multiply these two, we get cardinality of A cross B and cardinality of A and B are same. Now we will discuss about a problem, and we will show these two sets in different forms. So set A is given as ABC and set B is given as 1, 2. So writing this A cross B, so writing the Cartesian product of A cross B in order pair forms, so we have done this before also. So A goes with 1 and A goes with 2, similarly B and C. So this is the collection of all possible order pairs. We just write the order pairs, separate by them by each element by comma, and in order pair form we write A cross B in this way. Hope you understand. And in tree diagram, to represent A cross B, we have to first write the element of set A. Yes, and then set B, then finally we'll write set A cross B. Here the element of set A is A, and we just count the element of set B. There are two elements, so we just make two arrows over here and write the element of set B, and A goes with 1 and A goes with 2, similarly with B and C. Yes, so in this way we can represent A cross B in tree diagram. Yes, so mapping diagram of A cross B, we can just list out A, B, C. The elements of set A is here, and we write elements of set B as 1 comma 2. We make a dot in front here in case of B, and in case of A we just make dot in front. Then see here, A goes with 1 also and 2 also, B goes with 1 also and 2 also, C goes with 1 and 2 all, isn't it? Because Cartesian product is the set of all possible order pairs, is it? So this is the representation of A cross B in mapping diagram, or this is also called arrow diagram. Yes, so in table form, in table diagram, or this is tabulation method of representing A cross B or table diagram. For table diagram, what we do is that we just write here, we are just representing A cross B. Yes, so we just write here A at first, and we write B over here. Yes, and we have just written the elements of set A, B, C. We just leave this place over here, and we are writing 1 and 2. These are the elements of set B. Just leaving this place, you can just simply write A cross B over here, so that you can write A over here and B over here. See how easy it is. So now the order pair we can make A comma 1, A comma 2, similarly B and C, you can simply understood here. So in case of graphical representation, it is also called lattice diagram as well. So in graphical representation, what we have to do is that we have to keep this A always in x-axis. So first set must always in x-axis, and second set will be keeping that in y-axis. Now here in graphical representation, you just keep one thing in your mind. If the elements, or if the terms that we can simply manage that in a number line, then you can do in that way. But if that is like here A, B, C, isn't it? So I just suppose wherever I like, by making a certain gap over there, make sure that it looks good. All right, so the elements of B are 1 and 2. So A goes with 1, A goes with 2, B goes with 1, B goes with 2, C goes with 1, C goes with 2. So this is the representation of Cartesian product of A cross B in five different forms. Let us go with one more example so that you will be clear. I will show A cross B and B cross A together now. So the question here is A equals to 1 comma 2, set A is 1 comma 2 and set B is 3 comma 4. So the Cartesian product of A cross B in set of order pair forms. See, A cross B, we have to write the element of set A first, and then we'll be writing B. So 1 go with 3, 1 go with 4, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. But in case of B cross A, we have to consider B, elements of B at first. Yes, so 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2. This is what about set of order pairs. Similarly, in table diagram, I have already told you, just you write A over here, B over here, write the elements of set A, write the element of set B like this, and you can write, this will be the empty space over here, and A just go here, and B just note down it is here. Yes, so this is the easy way to represent A cross B. But in case of B cross A, you have to start here with B, and A over here, and element of B are here, element of A are here. You can see here, and you can understood yourself also. No need to explain by me time and again. Hope you have understood this one. And in case of arrow diagram, see here, so this is the arrow diagram of A cross B. Yes, so one go with all elements of second set, and but here is a certain okay, so this is the next example over here. Yes, so each example is different over here. For set of order pair, it's different. Set of table is also different. And arrow diagram, we have considered different elements over here. So it's A cross B and it's B cross A, writing elements of B first and A second. Yes, so in case of In case of tree diagram, just note it here, the set A is 1 comma 2 comma 3 and B is 4 comma 5 comma 6. So this is the tree diagram of A cross B here. So for A, you have written the element of A here and 1, and just write all the elements of set B, and second element of set A and all the elements of set B, and third element of set A and all the elements of set B. Then you can easily write this. Yes, and in case of B cross A, see here what you have to do. Just do similar way, but at first we have to write the element of B over here, so you will get B cross A. Just see here, you can pause the video whenever you required, and you can just see it carefully. But in case of graph, so here it's the graph is like this, so we can make graph like this. So it's the x-axis, it's the y-axis. Yes, so to find to show represent or A cross B in graph, we have to keep A, the first set, always in x-axis and second set always in y-axis. But in this case, here are simply the numbers. Yeah, you can see simply the numbers over here. So you can just do accordingly as in number line, and you can simply do like this. So here it's not seen clearly, I guess. So you can do like this here. So these are the graphical representation of Cartesian product, and similarly, like this A cross B, we can go with B cross A. All right, so hope you find this video useful. See you in the next video. Thank you.